there! Fairbanks just had a wonderful winter storm, so we're enjoying the fresh snow, almost half a foot to be exact. I have my Oakley boy here. He just did really good at the vet, getting all of his updated puppy shots. We're at Creamer's Field. You can see the old farmhouse behind me. They used to have dairy cows here, but it has since become a refuge for migrating birds. So this is one of my favorite places to walk, especially training younger dogs. Yachty and I had a lot of good times here when she was a puppy too. So follow us along for some of the wonderful sights in winter after a snowstorm. This is one of my favorite spots. Probably see it's a really great place to come and just go for a short walk. I've seen quite a few different types of trees already, and I definitely love seeing the birch. These ones are particularly beautiful. Of course, my Oakley man, it's a good buddy to walk with. Branches of the tree, God only knows we don't need ghost stories. Hearing absolute silence other than myself and my dog. In the summer when we come, there are so many birds just chirping, and usually even in the winter there's a raven or two circling above that keep us company, but it's just very quiet today. This is a nice lookout spot we usually come check out when we're out and about at Creamer's Field. We'll climb to the top and see if there's any moose or other creatures. Come on, it's beautiful up here. There he goes, come on. Yeah, you did it. Big baby. But the view is definitely worth it. To think that just over there is good old Fairbanks, the nice little busy town that I've come to know my whole life. I'm glad that we were able to get this trail all to ourselves today and experience this nice peace and quiet, moving around a little bit, finding a way to enjoy the fresh snow, even though snowstorms can be a little stressful sometimes. But this place is just so great, and I'm happy that it's located within town. And there's Creamer's Field for you. The snow has weighed down the branches on this tree so much that it's like a little fort. Isn't that cool? I think I'd get in a little trouble jumping out at people though, so I'm gonna keep moving on. Here's Creamer's Field for you with all of Fairbanks' glittering lights behind us. And then of course, an airplane coming right our way. The old dairy farm house, along with the creamery. It's all decked out from Christmas. So there you go. I had a great walk. Got back just in time before the sun fully sets. So stay tuned for the next adventure. Thanks and bye.